Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Population Movements and Genetics. First 14 to 19 questions are paragraph heading. First is section A. Its heading is number 4. Developments in the methods used to study early population movements. Early population movements की study के लिए जो methods develop किए गए. Study of the origins and distribution of human populations used to be based on archaeological and fossil evidence. A number of techniques developed since the 1950s, however, have placed the study of these subjects on a sounder and more objective footing. Next is section B. Its heading is number 7. Long-standing questions about prehistoric migration to America. अमेरिका में prehistoric migration लंबे समय का सवाल. Recent work on the problem of when people first entered the Americas is an example of the value of these new techniques. Northeast Asia and Siberia have long been accepted as the launching ground for the first human colonizers of the New World. But was there one major wave of migration across the Bering Strait into the Americas, or several? And when did this event, or events, take place? तो इस सवाल पे अब तक जांच है. Next is section C. Its heading is number 10. How analysis of blood variants measures the closeness of the relationship between different populations. Different populations में क्या relationship थी? ये blood variants से कैसे measure होता है? An important project, led by the biological anthropologist Robert Williams, focused on the variants called GM allotypes of one particular protein, immunoglobulin G, found in the fluid portion of human blood. All proteins drift or produce variants over the generations, and members of an interbreeding human population will share a set of such variants. Next question is section D. Its heading is number 1. The results of the research into blood variants. Blood variants के research का result. William and his colleagues sampled the blood of over 5,000 American Indians in western North America during a 20-year period. They found that their GM allotypes could be divided into two groups, one of which also corresponded to the genetic typing of Central and South American Indians. Other tests showed that. तो यहाँ पे clearly test के results की बात हो रही है. Next is section A. Its heading is number 6. Further genetic evidence relating to the three-wave theory. Genetic evidence जो three-wave theory के साथ relate करते हैं. How far does other research support these conclusions? Geneticist Douglas Wallace has studied mitochondrial DNA in blood samples from 3 widely separated Native Americans groups. Next is section F. Its heading is number 2. Dental evidence. दांतों के सबूत. There are two other kinds of research that have thrown some light on the origins of the Native American population. They involve the study of teeth and of languages. Next 20 and 21 questions are to complete the table by looking into the given map. यहाँ table में period mentioned है, आपको route लिखना है. First question is 15,000 or more years ago. पहले paragraph में देखेंगे. The first Paleo-Indian wave more than 15,000 years ago was ancestral to all Central and South American Indians. तो Central and South American Indians का root है वो सिर्फ E root है. तो इसका आंसर होगा E. Next question का period है 600 to 700. Ancestors of the Navajo and Apache who only migrated south from Canada about 600 or 700 years ago. जो रूट कनाडा से साउथ को जा रहा है वो रूट डी है. Next 22 to 25 questions are to connect different groups with wave number. First group is Inuit. They are connected with wave third. The third wave, perhaps 10,000 or 9,000 years ago, saw the migration from Northeast Asia of groups ancestral to the modern Eskimos and Aleut. Eskimos का मतलब Inuit, जो कि इसी पैराग्राफ में बताया गया है, Inuit or Eskimos. Next group is Apache. Its answer is second wave. The second wave about 14,000 to 12,000 years ago brought Na-Dene hunters, ancestors of the Navajo and Apache. Next group is Pima Papago and next to that is Ticuna. They both are from first wave. The first wave is Paleo-Indian, but इसका आंसर ई पैराग्राफ में है. Pima Papago Indians in Arizona, Maya Indians on the Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico, and Ticuna Indians in the upper Amazon region of Brazil. As would have been predicted by Robert Williams' work, all three groups appear to be descended from the same ancestral Paleo-Indian population. तो Paleo-Indian first wave है, तो Pima Papago and Ticuna are from first wave. Next 26 question is, Christy Turner's research involved the examination of. Its answer is A. Teeth from both prehistoric and modern Americans and Asians. The biological anthropologist Christy Turner is an expert in the analysis of changing physical characteristics in human teeth. He argues that tooth crowns and roots have a high genetic component, minimally affected by environmental and other factors. Studies carried out by Turner of many thousands of new and old world specimens, both ancient and modern. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.